In this video, we'll show you exactly how to wash your tennis shoes effectively. Tennis shoes are everyday essentials, but they can quickly accumulate dirt, odors, and stains. Regular cleaning not only restores their appearance but also extends their lifespan. Let's get started. Start by removing the laces and insoles from your tennis shoes. This allows you to clean all parts thoroughly and prevents tangling or damage during washing. Use a soft bristled brush or an old toothbrush to gently brush off loose dirt, mud, or debris from the shoe surface, soles, and seams. This helps prevent dirt from embedding deeper during the wash. Soak the laces in a small bowl of warm water mixed with a little mild detergent. Let them soak for 15 to 20 minutes. Then scrub them gently with your hands or a brush. Rinse thoroughly and let them air dry. Fill a basin or bucket with warm water and a small amount of mild laundry detergent. Dip a soft cloth or sponge into the soapy water and scrub the exterior of the shoes. For fabric or mesh areas, use gentle circular motions to avoid damaging the material. For more stubborn dirt or stains, use a soft bristled brush dipped in the soapy solution to scrub problem areas like the soles, sides, and toe caps. Be careful around delicate fabrics or stitching. Use a clean, damp cloth to wipe away soap and dirt. Avoid soaking the shoes entirely under running water, as excess moisture can damage materials and take longer to dry. Scrub the insoles with the same mild soap and water solution using a soft brush or sponge. Focus on areas with odors or stains. Rinse well and set them aside to air dry completely. Stuff your tennis shoes with paper towels or clean cloths to help them hold their shape and absorb moisture. Place them in a well-ventilated area away from direct sunlight or heat sources. Allow them to air dry completely, which may take 24 hours or more. Once everything is fully dry, reinsert the insoles and lace up your shoes. They should now look and feel fresh, clean, and ready to wear. To keep your tennis shoes looking great, clean off dirt after each use and store them in a dry area. Use odor-absorbing inserts or baking soda to reduce smells between washes. By following these easy steps, your tennis shoes will stay clean, fresh, and ready for action. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe for more helpful cleaning tips, and let us know your favorite shoe cleaning hacks in the comments below. Happy cleaning!